Welcome to this tutorial, where we'll guide you through the simple process of changing the background color of your template. As you can see, my design is already loaded and ready to edit. If you want to change the color of your background, it's a breeze. Just click on it. See that handy toolbar that pops up at the top? That's your key to background customization. Go ahead and click on Background Color, and you'll find yourself in a rainbow wonderland. There you can either enter a hex code for your desired shade or use the slider to get that perfect color. Let's say you want to take it up a notch and use a texture as your background. Canva is full of resources that make customization easy. Go to the Elements tab, search for the background texture you want, for instance, watercolor texture. Click on Photos, and you'll discover a treasure trove of elements. To add one to your design, simply click, hold your mouse, and drag it onto your canvas. You can adjust its intensity by clicking on it and tweaking the opacity in the top right corner. Use the slider to scale it up or down until you achieve the perfect look. And if you ever decide you no longer like your background and want to remove it altogether, it's simple. Just click on it and a quick tap of the delete key on your keyboard will whisk it away. See, changing your background in Canva is a piece of cake. Thanks for joining us, and stay tuned for more valuable tips and tutorials.